What are you doing? Braid, what are you doing? You getting your trucks clean? Did they get really dirty from playing with them this week?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to clean them off. And you've got your brush and your water. That one looks really clean. Good job. You better clean your digger. Oh, you're cleaning your hand. Is that water hot or cold?
Hot.
It's hot, but not too hot, right? It's just warm.
Yeah.
It's hot. Okay, why don't you clean your loader? That loader looks awfully dirty. You better clean it. Water is fun, isn't it? Okay, you're almost getting your PJs in. Careful.